Hi. In this video I would like to show how the explosive resonator and the blast shield work together and how it works. And I will do that by disassembling this flying car into its major component groups. In this view, the body section is being removed from the explosive resonator power. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold these wings so that I can get to the bolts to take the wings off. This is a view from the front. You can see the motor section, and this actually is a model 4.5J. Okay, I pulled out those wings and now I can get at the bolts that hold the wings to the mechanisms that make the wings fold out. Okay, here I've got a couple of the wings off. Got the back ones still on, and the front ones are completely off. And you can see the explosive resonator motor. The next step in the disassembly process is to remove the explosive resonator jet head assembly, which has the arms, and these arms will be bolted on with they'll be made out of aluminum. You see, this is just a regular cone. And what happens is the explosive resonator, the explosion will be trapped underneath this, and it has incredible lifting power when used like that. So I'm kind of tricking the motor or the blast shield into thinking that it's got a bunch of power underneath it, where it really doesn't have that much, and therefore lifting. And these are the most critical time is when you're first taking off, because you can get quite a jolt into the air. And then back here is the intake port. Now the intake here in the back has been surrounded by a housing, and this housing will be a casting of aluminum, and it will have bosses on it for these arms, and here is the actual explosive resonator frame unit, easily modifiable to do just about anything, including being a flying car. Now there are double resonator ones that would have two motors that would go into your blast shield. Your blast shield is now removed. Okay, this is the blast shield, and it's been removed by the 7 self-tapping screws that hold the blast shield together onto the rest of the craft. You got to remember that this is a flying machine. The blast shield always pushes up, so therefore the only real strength that it needs is enough to hold it from falling off.